Can you understand English when you arrive at a restaurant? You already made a reservation. Now you arrive at the restaurant. You need to speak English. Will you feel confident? Or will you feel nervous? In this listening practice, you will hear a real conversation when a customer arrives at a restaurant. Listen carefully, relax, and remember, your English improves every time you listen. Let's begin.
Good evening and welcome once again to our restaurant. I hope you had a pleasant trip here and that everything is going well for you tonight.
Good evening. Yes, thank you very much. Everything is going well, and we're really happy to be here this evening.
That's wonderful to hear. May I please confirm the name on your reservation before we continue?
Of course. The reservation is under the name Michael Johnson.
Thank you very much, Mr. Johnson. I can see your reservation clearly in our system. Everything looks perfect. Your table is ready now, so if you don't mind, please follow me. Please take your time as you walk. The lighting is a bit soft in this area, and we want to make sure you feel comfortable and safe.
All right, no problem at all. Thank you very much.
Here we are. This is your table for the evening.
Thank you very much.
It is located near the window, just as you requested earlier.
I understand. Thank you for letting me know. Oh, this is very nice.
I'm very happy to hear that. Would you prefer to sit closer to the window, or would you like to sit a little farther inside the restaurant?
I really like the atmosphere in here. It feels calm, comfortable, and relaxing. Closer to the window would be perfect for us, if that's possible.
Of course, that won't be a problem at all.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Please go ahead and have a seat whenever you're ready.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Here are your menus.
I'll take a look now.
Please feel free to take your time and look through them carefully. Before I step away, may I offer you something to drink while you look at the menu?
Yes, please. I would like a glass of water to start with.
Certainly. Would you prefer still water or sparkling water?
Still water would be perfect.
Very good.
Thank you.
I'll bring that to you right away.
All right.
If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to let me know.
Thank you very much.
Here is your water. I've also brought some fresh bread for the table. Please enjoy.
Thank you very much. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. Please take your time. There is absolutely no rush this evening.
All right. I appreciate that. Excuse me, could I ask you a question about the menu?
Of course, I'd be more than happy to help you. What would you like to know?
There are many interesting options on the menu, and everything sounds very good. I was wondering if you could recommend something that many customers usually enjoy.
Absolutely. One of our most popular dishes is the grilled salmon. It is very flavorful, well-seasoned, and cooked fresh to order every time. Another favorite is our shrimp pasta, which has a light and creamy sauce.
That sounds delicious. Is the grilled salmon very spicy?
Not at all. It's quite mild and balanced, but still full of flavor. We can also adjust the seasoning if you like.
That's great to know. In that case, I think I'll order the grilled salmon.
Excellent choice. And how would you like the salmon cooked?
I would like it cooked medium, please.
Perfect. Would you like any side dishes with that, such as vegetables, rice, or potatoes?
Yes, I would like vegetables on the side, please.
Very good. I'll place that order for you right away. Your meal will take about 15 to 20 minutes to prepare. Please feel free to relax and enjoy the atmosphere.
Thank you very much. That's completely fine. Thank you for letting me know.
Here is your grilled salmon with vegetables. Please be careful as the plate is quite hot.
Thank you very much. It looks absolutely delicious.
You're very welcome. Please enjoy your meal and let me know if there is anything else I can do for you.
All right. Thank you. Yes,
How is everything so far? Are you enjoying your meal?
everything is excellent. The salmon is cooked perfectly, and the vegetables are very fresh and tasty. Thank you for the recommendation. It was a great choice.
I'm really glad to hear that. Thank you for sharing your feedback with us. You're very welcome. Would you like to see the dessert menu or perhaps have some coffee or tea?
Yes, I would like a coffee, please.
Certainly. Would you like it black or with milk and sugar?
With milk, please. No sugar.
All right. I'll bring that to you shortly. Here is your coffee.
Thank you very much.
Please enjoy. Whenever you're ready, I can bring the check to your table.
Yes, please. I'm ready now. I'm ready now.
Of course, here is the check. Take your time. There is no hurry at all.
Thank you. Thank you as well. Everything was wonderful, and the service was excellent.
Thank you very much, Mr. Johnson. We truly appreciate you dining with us tonight. We're very happy to hear that. We hope to see you again very soon.
Definitely. Have a great evening.
You too. Good night.
Great job. If you understood this conversation, you are improving your English. If you didn't understand everything, don't worry. That is normal. Listening is a skill. The more you practice, the better you become. Listen again. Repeat the sentences. Speak with confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. This is Sahens English School. See you in the next lesson.